Okay, is this on? Wait, hang on. Hey guys, Keon Hunter here, and today I'm going to be doing a eating contest called to see how long I can eat Takis without using water. But I can use water, but I have to see how much Takis I can eat. So let's get started. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, hang on. Now guys, right here, make sure you go see the Batman vs. Superman movie, because I'm never going to ask my mom or dad to take me to see it. And I nominate Misu Vlog to eat Takis and Pokemon Alpha Sapphire Ash Battle. Okay, so I'm I'm done. So that's all the time I had to make. So thank you all for watching. Leave a likes and comments below to see